So here we are in week 6 under number 2, complete the P word in 2 parts. This is set up a little bit differently than previous lessons, so I wanted to show you how to do it. Now, I believe this is pretty self-explanatory, but what do you do once you've done that? Okay, so I want you to click on every single one of these links. So, you know what? I already had them open. Let's do it together. So we're going to open this first. Did you see that? Open this first. And then open this next. You want to go ahead and open all of these before you start the lesson. I am also going to drag each tab to make it in the order that Moodle says I need it. So open this third. Open this fourth. Just clicking and dragging. Open this fifth. And then the last thing is a quiz, which is to be done after you've completed what you need to do with all of these. If you want to go ahead and open it, that's fine. It is completely open notes, open internet, open everything. There is no reason for you to make less than 100 on that quiz, okay? So this right here, this is the very first thing. You say, open this first, Plagiarism 101. Here we are. This is what you go through. This is the lesson itself. All of these tabs go along with this document. This document that we're looking at right now will tell you when you need to look at those other things you've pulled up. So your job with this is to scroll through and read it, okay? So introduction, what is plagiarism? Suppose you were really good at jokes. Take your time, read this, okay? And then you're scrolling and you're scrolling. And once you get through the introduction, you're going to see a page that says, take a few minutes to read the Hungry Venus Flytrap. This is on page 18. Well, guess what? You already have it open. This is a very short little one-page thing to help you go through the lesson, okay? And then I've cheated and I looked it up so I didn't have to scroll much. On page 74, it says, take a few minutes to read the daily life of the sumo wrestler. Well, guess what? That's the third tab you have open in this series of 5 tabs. Same thing, just a made-up little article so that you can go through the rest of this lesson. And then at some point in this lesson, it's going to refer to this page, so then you can come over here and look. And then at some point in this lesson, it's going to refer to this page, and look, you already have it pulled up. So the Plagiarism 101 link, this PowerPoint that you're looking at right here, let's get back to the first page so we're clear. This is the actual lesson. This is what you read. This is what's teaching you what plagiarism is, how to spot it, and how to avoid it. This helps you with the lesson. This helps you with the lesson. This helps you with the lesson, and this helps you with the lesson. Bonus, this page and this page are good for the whole semester, not just this lesson, okay? So have all of those things open, read this whole thing, and then come back to Moodle and take the quiz. Now again, the quiz is completely open everything. There is no reason for you to get less than 100. You even have 2 attempts. So if you miss something the first time, you can go back and you can fix it. Please, please get 100% on this, please. And then this is part 2. Click on this after you've finished part 1 above, the P word incorporating sources well. Okay, so we're going to click on this link. This is set up like all of the other lessons. Yours won't look quite like this because it's in editing mode, but the very first page says stop. Did you follow directions? You should have already gone through part 1 of this lesson before you clicked on this. If you didn't, go back and do that now. So that's how to complete the P word in 2 parts. Go through all of part 1 and submit your quiz. And then click on part 2 and go through that whole lesson. Now, this is all due on the same day. So check your calendar, check whatever your Moodle page says right here. It's either going to say Monday or Tuesday, and your attendance and a grade is based on your participation on parts 1 and 2. Completing it means that you attended class. Whatever grade you get for this quiz goes into the grade book.